be doing today in the Toxic Free Kitchen is we're going to be rolling sushi rolls. Now, as you can see here, take a close-up of the sushi roll. Notice how all the vegetables are aligned in one position so you can easily roll the sushi roll. So what we're going to do is we're just going to use this little guy here, and we're going to use our hands and tuck it in and tuck it under. Yes, it's a little heavy, but for the most part, it is all going to work out perfectly. Okay, hold on one second, and voila. Yes, we have a little at the end, a little guy trying to get away. We're going to cut that out. Make sure that your left and right rolls are cut in half. Make sure they're nice and clean. Clean up everything, your space. Okay, unleash it. Okay, here we go. Then we're going to turn it like so, and we're going to counter seam it because where that seam is, we don't want it to open up. So we want to kind of turn it clockwise and open it up. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to cut it. And we're going to see how these little dudes look in just a second. So we're going to pause to a commercial break. Stay with us and you'll get to see the cutting of the sushi. Okay, welcome back. 1 sushi roll, 2 sushi roll, 3 sushi roll. Oh my god, this is working great. Oh my gosh, it is ripping down. Okay, voila. Now let's get our plating. So we're gonna plate our sushi over here. So we're gonna unwrap it here, and let me just go ahead and display the sushi roll, which we call the veggie caterpillar. And there you go. Okay, so our viewers made a request and want us to pick one up. So I'm going to pick up this little guy right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and take a bite. Wow.